it's Eugenia. So today I'm going to be doing a Sailor Mars cosplay. So I love Sailor Moon, and a while ago I did a Sailor Moon cosplay. I've had a lot of people also tell me that I should cosplay Sailor Mars. One thing that makes me so happy about this cosplay is that I actually do not need to wear a wig. Because wigs, I don't know, I just have a lot of hair, and I guess where my hair is so long, sometimes I just have the hardest time getting my hair in a wig, and it probably just does not look the best. So I don't have to do that today, so that's exciting. Also, I just really like Sailor Mars, and I thought it would be really cool to like have her outfits too. Like these Sailor Moon outfits, I just always think are so cute. So basically that's what I'm doing today. It's just like a Sailor Mars cosplay. So yeah guys, I guess I'll just kind of tell you guys a little bit about this cosplay outfit. And real quick, I guess before I show you guys the parts of this outfit, I tried to do my makeup kind of like Sailor Mars inspired, which hopefully that's how that came out. Real quick, I'll show you guys how I did my makeup today too and everything. This is just my Armani Maestro UV Skin Defense Primer. I'm just gonna use a few drops of that and put that on. Okay, so next I'm gonna be putting foundation on, and to do that, I always just like to use a beauty blender. I just kind of feel like this makes it go on the best and just kind of makes everything blend nicely. And to do that too, I'm using the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on, and do that, I'm using my Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer, and this is in the shade C2. And just kind of blend this, obviously. Alright, and then to just kind of set all that in there, I'm going to be using this Anastasia powder. Just like a translucent powder. I always think this works really good. Okay, so now that foundation and all that makeup is set, hopefully it all looks like it's blended pretty good. I guess now I'm going to be moving on to contour makeup. And the palette that I'm going to be using for contour is the Anastasia Contour Powder Kits. So I'm going to use this brush to just kind of like blend it out more. I do not want it to look that harsh at all. Once again, I'm just going to be using this blender brush too. I know it's kind of a big brush around your nose, but I know like your nose is kind of an easy area to get like pretty harsh lines, which I definitely do not want. I have the perfect blush for this ever. So for this video, I'm actually going to use a Sailor Moon blush. Also just kind of trying to blend that with the contour, just like blend them together sort of. I'm going to be putting highlighter on now, and to do that, I'm just using my Jeffree Star Ice Cold highlighter. This is like one of my favorite highlighters ever. I think this is such a nice highlighter. I also just feel like this highlighter, I'm going to use another highlighter on top of this, goes really good. You know, I feel like it's very pretty and shiny and sparkly kind of, and I feel like that kind of fits like the Sailor Moon vibe. I'm using the Jeffree Star Extreme Frost. This is the Lick My Glit shade, and it's like very pretty and glittery. This one is like a pink shade, super pretty. And then just because like I love highlighter guys, and again I just feel like this really fits like Sailor Moon, I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose, not on my whole nose, just kind of like on the tip and then the top of it a bit. And then also on the Cupid's bow, because I think this is like so pretty. And now I'm gonna go into the eye makeup. The other day, this is actually really crazy, and I don't know how this happened exactly. ColourPop is super nice, and sometimes they send me PR, which I always really appreciate. Normally, they send me PR to my California address. I've been away from California for a while because like COVID and everything. I know rates have been really bad in California, sadly. A lot of the time when I've been getting PR from them, I've been having to wait a pretty long time because I haven't even really known about it with a lot of packages. Luckily, we have a friend that goes and checks like our place in California. Sometimes when he'd see packages there, he would just like send them to me. But sometimes that would take a while, obviously, because I don't expect him, obviously, to just be there like all the time or anything like that. I've actually been having a couple of ColourPop packages just like sent to this house here. Big thanks to ColourPop for sending me products and everything. I always love their product. They sent me actually their new eyeshadow collection. And I thought one of the colors, like one of the palettes, they're all kind of like cute mini palette, would be perfect for Sailor Mars. ColourPop sent me their Love Struck collection. It looks super, super awesome. It comes with actually 5 different like mini palettes, and they're all super cute. They're all like different color schemes. We have it Ballad, really pretty. It looks like kind of like smoky shades, which I love those kind of shadows. This one is called the Amore palette. Perfect name for that. I feel like it like looks like, you know, really like a lot of love kind of shades. I don't know. We have this one, which looks like kind of more browns, kind of purple kind of shades. I don't know. And this one is called Weird. These also have like really cool names for them and stuff. And then we have this one, which looks kind of more like golden shade sorta. And this is the Crush palette. And then this one is the one that I thought would be perfect for today. Here, this is called the Cherish palette. It's actually my first time trying it too. They sent me also these lashes. These are the Queenie lashes. Very pretty, like full lashes. And I haven't worn fakes in forever, so I'm excited to try those. I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. To start this out, I think that I'm gonna start by going in with the shade Precious, which looks like a really pretty kind of like dark pink reddish shade. And it has like little glitters in it, which is so pretty. Oh my gosh, whoa! I was not expecting it to be that pigmented. It is like very pretty and pigmented. So, all right, I probably put on like way more than I had to, but that's okay. I'm just gonna try to kind of like blend this all out. And I feel like this goes so good with the Sailor Mars outfit too. I feel like it's like perfect. I'm also going to use some of the shade Forever, which looks kind of a little more matte, I guess. I mean, this one's pretty matte too, but it doesn't have like glitters basically. Put that right next to it. I'm just going to blend these two. See, that applied super nice. I'm trying to take it a little more slow now. Next, I'm gonna start kind of blending that out and making that a little less harsh where I put too much on. I'm gonna use the shade Adore, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on and just kind of start blending this more. And I feel like that blended it out really nicely. Try the shade Faith, which looks really pretty and shiny. Oh, that is so pretty. I love that color. Yeah, I just feel like this entire palette was like the perfect palette for this outfit. So then under my eye, I'm gonna go back into the shade Forever, and I'm just gonna apply that underneath. And I'm gonna put a little bit of Adore on again, just like underneath that, just to like blend it. I'm gonna use the shade Destiny. And Destiny, I'm just gonna put a little bit in my inner corner. That is so pretty. So it's kind of like this super pretty shiny gold, and I love it. I wasn't expecting it to be so shiny. Okay, I'm also gonna put a little bit of that below my brow bone. And there we go, I think that works perfect. Now I'm just gonna go and do eyeliner off the camera. I'm also gonna do my other eye, and I'm gonna do lashes and all that, and show you guys how they look on. All right guys, so I finished both eyes now. I know a lot of time when people are doing kind of more like anime makeup and things like that, they'll put white liner on their waterline, which sometimes I do that, but I don't know. I have like really big eyes, so a lot of time I just kind of end up preferring black. Sometimes white, I guess, for a lot of people can make their eyes look bigger, and also depending on like your eye shape and what you want to do. Yeah, like I think you can really do whatever, but that's what I did today. Oh my gosh, the lashes are so pretty. I love them. And they are like amazing. They're pretty dramatic. They make your lashes look like much fuller. I'm not really that great at putting false lashes on, guys, just because I don't wear them very often. So sorry if they look at all messy. I thought that I would do a red lip. I just kind of feel like it goes with Sailor Mars. I'm gonna be using a lip liner first. And the lip liner is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Red Rum. This is super pretty. So, all right, I'm just gonna line my lips. I'm gonna be using the shade The Perfect Red, which is one of the newer Jeffree lipsticks. It's a really nice red, and I felt like it would work really good for this. Okay, Alrighty, and yeah, I think that works so good for this look. So just to clean it up, I'm just gonna line a little more, just kind of like on sections where I might have like drawn things uneven, and just kind of the corners I try to always be a little careful about, because I feel like the corners are always like the easiest to mess up, like when you have like red or a color like that on that's just really strong. Alright, and I think that's pretty good. So now last of all, to just kind of like set in the makeup, I'm just gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and just kind of like set my face. And that is the makeup finish. So this is my makeup look that's kind of like inspired by Sailor Mars. I guess now I'll just kind of go back to showing you guys the full outfit. Alright guys, so my last cosplay video that I uploaded obviously was my official video from Genshin Impact. I'm really sorry, I know that that definitely was not the best cosplay that I've done or best cosplay in general by any means. I understand probably a lot of that was like my fault for not doing things right. I guess like when I got it, it was just like a very different quality than what I was expecting for like what I paid for the outfit. And it also came in just like so many different pieces. They were really confusing to figure out. Some of them like literally looked totally different than what was shown in the image. I'm sure there's lots of great items on Easy Cosplay, so I'm not saying it's like their fault, but I just got really confused with it, so yeah. But anyways, this outfit is from a company called Our Cosplay. From my experience with them, they're really good and really nice quality. This I just kind of actually just bought on Amazon. This is the same company that I also bought the Sailor Moon one from. I really like this company from like my experience with them. I think that their products are really good. The material's like really nice. It's just like polyester and feels really nice and comfortable and stuff. And they're just very easy to figure out too, which is really nice. So yeah, different parts of the cosplay, guys. I'll show you guys like the full cosplay. This is nothing that isn't fixable, but the skirt did come a bit wrinkled, probably just from like being in the mail and stuff. So over time, that should probably just kind of like unwrinkle more. I don't have like a clothing iron right now, so I was like, you know, hoping it would like unwrinkled, but it's still kind of wrinkled. But besides that, you know, that's all fixable, so that's okay. I think this is such a cute outfit though, so this is kind of like what the full outfit looks like on. The back too, it just comes with like a detachable like bow basically. It just has like the super cute like Sailor Scout outfit. And one thing that I will say about these outfits from me buying them, they will be like a little bit short on me. Like I ordered in a size extra small. I figured that would still be better because like you see, I think I'd rather it be a little short and then I just kind of can wear it with like black shorts underneath or whatever, so that way it doesn't like expose anything. But yeah, I figured it'd be better just because like the fit is really good, I feel like. And besides that, like yeah, I really don't have like any complaints with it. I think it's super cute. And then this is detachable too, like this this bow, and you can see it's like very pretty. And yeah, it's just like Sailor Mars is super pretty. And then it also came with a necklace, which I pinned because the choker necklace was also pretty big. So I just kind of pinned that in back, and I feel like that just kind of made it look better. And then the gloves are really nice too. You guys can see that this outfit obviously comes with like the Sailor Scout gloves, and yeah, I think they're really cute. So, and I'll show you guys too what I did for the shoes, so one second. All right guys, and for the shoes, not gonna lie, the shoes are pretty different than like what you would think, where Sailor Mars just has like red pumps, which sadly, I think I do have a pair of red pumps, but they're back in California, so I didn't really have a pair exactly like hers. But I do think these shoes are really cool. They're like a pair of shoes that I bought a couple of years ago in LA. That's like one of my favorite pairs. So yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna be Sailor Mars with like a different pair of shoes on. But I still feel like these work like with her outfit. And these are really cool. So they look like impossible to walk in, but they're really not as hard as you would think. They're just kind of like, I don't know, like they look crazy, but they're really not that hard to walk in at all. And they're like very sparkly and pretty. They're like one of my favorite pairs. So I just kind of thought I'd be Sailor Mars with like a different kind of shoe on today, I guess. So again, that's kind of what it looks like on from like the front and everything. and then the back of the cosplay and everything. And this company, from my experience, I really like. I know I kind of still need to like unwrinkle the skirt a bit more, but besides that, I just think that like they make really good quality things. And oh, actually, 1 second, I have to get the headpiece on too. And then of course, guys, we got like the headband piece. Now, if I don't have the headband on perfect, then I'm sorry. Those, I'm not really the greatest at getting on. I'm not really sure what the best way to get them on is. Obviously, it's made like really nice, and like I think that it's really cute. But yeah, I'm never really sure exactly like where the best place is to put your hair with those and all that, and like the best way to get it on. So I don't know, but I think it looks like it's on pretty well. Hopefully that looks okay enough for you guys. Oh my gosh, guys, and I'm totally just noticing this lash was like crazily standing up, so I am super sorry throughout a lot of this video that was like that if I didn't notice. Hopefully it wasn't. But yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I am not very good at putting lashes on because I just don't really wear falsies a lot, so if that was just kind of crazily standing up, I probably just didn't put enough glue on it or something, so I'm really sorry. Hopefully that wasn't too noticeable, but yeah. So alright guys, so that is basically the finished cosplay. I hope that you guys liked seeing this cosplay outfit, and I hope you guys like this Sailor Mars cosplay. I'm really happy with these. I always think these outfits are really cute. I think once it's like unwrinkled a little more, it will look even better. I think our cosplay, like from my experience like buying with them, that they make really good products. And I also just think that like the Sailor Scout outfits are so cute. So yeah, I kind of wanted to like buy another one, so I was like, I should do Sailor Mars now. Because now I can have this outfit in blue, I can have it in red now, so that's awesome. So alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked this video, then give it a like so I know that you liked it. You can also subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and press the bell icon if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video. I love you guys so much, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, love you guys, bye!